Hello, what's up my people? Welcome to this channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I greet you all. In today's video, we are making it real short and quick. Please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification if you are just viewing for the first time. Today we are making we are showing how you can undo your knife, your shoemaker knife, when making a boot sew. So let's see what we've got here, and so also we are going to show you how a boot sew is done. Okay, we have a Telegram channel platform just created. We created it not quite long. It's a channel whereby we post a video of a new videos. A notification will notify you anytime you have a new video on YouTube on here. And so also if you have a shoe we are selling at a discount price, everything will be there on our Telegram channel. And yeah, so if you also want to be part of the business, you can always reach out to us on all our social media platforms, or if you want to be a reseller, or if you want to buy from us on all our social media platforms at bit of footage. The link is below the video. So I've done something like this before. I've done a boot sew in one of my recent videos. You can always go back to see how it is done, how we got to this stage. So after making use of our shoemaker knife, we file after filing, we smoothing with same filer also to bring out a nice shape and a neat job. Yeah, so after filing with making use of our filing machine, we have our outcome already. This is our outcome, and after placing it on our shoe, on the body of the shoe, we have our outcome. So that is how it works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share to your people as well, and don't forget to always join our Telegram channel. Yeah, don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates and for discount sale. See you guys next time. Thank you very much. Shalom.